Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god guys, I've missed you so much. I have had the 6 weeks school holidays to contend with, so I haven't actually filmed for 4 weeks, and oh my god, I have bloody missed it. So I am back. I'm going to be able to regularly film, regularly upload again. I'm so glad to be back. So if you haven't already done so, please do hit the subscribe button, the little bell button next to it as well, because that tells you when I'm back and when I've uploaded, so that you're the first to see it. Yeah, I'm super glad to be back. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, stick with me. I will give you a step-by-step guide how to do it. Okay, let's get on with the tutorial. Right, okay, so I have done this eye off camera just to get my bearings, see where I wanted to go with it, and now it's time to do this eye. So to start off, I'm going to use the P.Louise base in Rumour 0.5 just to carve out the eyebrows and to make a clean canvas for my eyeshadow to stick to. I love it when I get to this stage, because I'll just wait for somebody to knock at the door and I'm like, boom, yeah, and what? This is how I roll. This is how I go to Tesco's. Yeah, it's my everyday look. Oh guys, I've got to show you this. Look at my new mirror. Look, that's the back. And that's the front. How cute is that? I love it. It was like £6 from Primark. Absolutely love it. Beautiful. Right, today I'm using the BPerfect Carnival palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Basic. Okay, so I am taking a really fluffy brush here. This is the Real Techniques Base Shadow brush. Okay, and I'm going to just start putting it here, right where, just above my crease. So I'm using a window wiper technique just to apply, and then I go over it with circles, and that keeps it blended in. A good trick is, when you're doing this, is to tip your head back and have your mirror just below you, so that you can look down at that sort of an angle, and then you can see the lid really well. And I'm just blending that up. I'm not putting any more product on, I'm just blending it up with whatever's left on there, just to get that so that it's a bit more seamless. Next up is the shade Rowdy. So this shade I'm going to be putting in the crease, and I'm going to be blending it down towards the lid. Okay, and then I like to take a clean blending brush and just blend them two together. Next shade up is this deep dark brown, and it's called Liquor. Okay, so this goes in the outer V. So again, you start in the crease here, and then I'm bringing it onto the eyelid. Okay, I'm happy with how that colour is looking at the moment. So now I'm going to do a half cut crease. Don't worry about any of the fallout at the bottom here. When you are using dark colours like this and loose glitters, you always want to make sure that you do your foundation last, because otherwise it is going to spill everywhere. So literally, eyes first, wipe off all the excess of the pigments that are falling down, and then do your foundation. So I'm going right down towards the lashes, and I'm going halfway across my lid. Then I look up, and as you can see, that shows me exactly where I need to carve. Okay, with the half cut crease, what you want to make sure you do is just get your ring finger here, and where the base meets the shadow, you just want to sort of tap over it there, because you don't want a harsh line there, you want that to sort of blend. So when you put the glitter on, it's sort of going to be a bit more seamless, you're not going to see it, but so it goes just a bit like that. Right, so for the glitter today, I'm going to be using this beauty. So this is M.A.C and it's in the shade Reflex Antique Gold. Okay, and you're just pressing it all over where you've carved. Now, because this is a full-on glam look, I'm not happy with just using one glitter, so I'm using 2 glitters. Okay, so I'm also using the Peaches and Cream Hollywood. And that's just going to go over the top. Now, because I have already got glitter on, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Glue. And this, I'm just going to dab this on spaces all over the top of this glitter. Also putting that in the corner. God, I love this stuff. So I'm going to take that darkest shade that we used, Liquor. I'm just going to run that under the eye. Then back into the lightest brown, Basic. And I'm going to smudge that out. Okay, now on with a bit of liquid liner, and I'm going to use the NYX Vinyl. Now we're going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just to coat the top and bottom lashes before I put my falsies on. Okay, so for lashes, I'm using the Tatti lashes in the style TL Mitchell. These are the 4D mink lashes. Right, okay, so now that I've done the eyes, I'm going to go on to doing the face. So I'm going to start with the M.A.C Prep and Prime. I like to take it on just a flat brush like this. Okay, so next up is foundation. I used the shade 1N0 Porcelain in the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Might put a bit too much on. I had a sunbed yesterday and I didn't think it did anything, but you know what? Maybe it has done, because this is coming out a bit light for me now. Now to do some contouring, I'm going to use the NYX Pro Highlighting and Contour Palette, and I tend to take a mixture of this shade and this shade. So I'm using the Peaches and Cream PC28 brush. Looks like that. Okay, so with this, you're just looking for the hollows of your cheeks. You follow that line around and just give that a blend. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in shade Fair. Just under the eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And I'll just use the same beauty blender. Okay, I'm just going to set that with this shade here. Okay, so for blusher, I'm going to take the Benefit Rockateur. just on the apple of your cheeks and blend it upwards. So this is the highlighter by OFRA in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. It's called Glazed Donut and it is my absolute fave. I love it. Okay, I'm going to do a nude lip and I'm going to start with my lip liner, which is M.A.C Subculture. What I like to do is just go in the corners and darken them up so it creates sort of an ombre look. And for lip gloss I'm going to use the P.Louise Holler. I'm so glad to be back and filming. I feel like I need to update you guys of what I've been doing. I joined the gym. I've got a personal trainer now. That's going well. It's hard because I'm doing things like weightlifting. I am doing the bench press. I do it all. I am doing it all. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So that's what I've been up to. What I want to start doing it as well is I want to do like a question of the day or a question and answer sort of bit just at the end of my videos. You know, if you've got any questions for me, if you want to know anything, like I am an open book. I will tell you the lot. Like there's I've got nothing to hide. I will literally tell you everything. So if you've got any questions and you want to get to know me a bit better, then just put it down in the comments below, and on my next video I will address them, I will read them out and I will answer them for you. It's just a little fun way for me to interact with you guys, as I absolutely love you and I need to know more about you and I want you guys to know more about me. I'm here to stay and I want to just keep growing and growing and growing. So if you like my tutorials and you like my my videos and my atmosphere and the way I am, then share it with your friends, tag your friends in. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on TikTok. I am literally on everything. I love to be social, I love to speak to people, and I would really like some interaction. So yeah, if there's anything you want to know, just ask, put it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer it for you on my next video. Right, so this is how the makeup turned out. I'm really pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. Like I say, if you haven't already done so, please do hit the subscribe button because it helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah!